Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch was a late 2023 for a 2024 model year launch from IWC of Schaffhausen, Switzerland. This is the pilot's watch Timezoner Top Gun Woodland Green. This is part of the Colors of Top Gun series. This is a big pilot style, case size, and crown design. We got a case made of woodland green ceramic and then ceramized titanium, Ceratanium, for the metal hardware. This is reference 3956-01, and it is big pilot's watch sized at 46 millimeters in diameter. It is 15.4 millimeters thick, which is thinner than I expected, and from lug tip to lug tip, 55.2 millimeters with a 22 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Of course, the big pilot's watch, inspired by the wartime BR, made for the Luftwaffe. This watch is very much from that vein of design. You can see the watch large on my wrist, a big pilot's watch indeed, suitable for a big pilot. I think you need a wrist larger than mine to wear this, let's say 17 or 18 centimeters circumference. My wrist is just 16, so this is a bit too large for me. The strap is lovely. We've got green military olive green textile. Officially, this is all woodland green. That's the terminology used by IWC. The strap is fundamentally made of rubber. And then we've got a matching ceramized titanium buckle. The idea behind Ceratanium is that the uppermost layer of a piece of titanium is ceramized to create a rock-like hardness and scratch resistance. But because the core of the metal is still titanium, not ceramized, it can't fracture or shatter all the way through the way pure ceramic can. So that's the idea. So we have a Ceratanium bezel, we have a Ceratanium crown, we have a Ceratanium caseback. And then the mid-case itself and the lugs, they are equally scratch resistant, but they are solid ceramic. If you don't like scratches, scuffs, divots, dents, and marks, Ceratanium and ceramic is probably the best solution for you. The IWC motto, Probus Confusia, a good solid watch made in Schaffhausen. IWC, of course, is a German-Swiss company, so they speak German. Schaffhausen, Switzerland, up in the northeast of the country. It's literally founded by American F.A. Jones, and so this is the American-founded, German-speaking Swiss watch company. That's a rare combo because most of the watchmakers are in the French-speaking regions. Now, this is based on the mechanism originally designed by Andreas Streller for Vogard, and it works a little bit differently from some of the past versions here. This allows you to move the time zone represented, but does not necessarily allow you to set a second time. So I push down on the bezel. You got to push down to release it. And now you can see how I'm able to make changes even as the seconds hand continues to tick and the minute hand is not displaced. You can also see, if you wonder, am I looking at, for example, 10:20 in the morning or 10:20 at night? Well, I could see I have a 24-hour distinction right here that lets me realize I am looking at 10:20 at night. Now, the watch has no shortage of luminescence. There are quite a few luminescent elements here, even with the woodland green. It's not as bright, perhaps, as white luminova, but it's not dumb. It's not dull. It's not dumbed down. I wouldn't call it, perhaps, as pandering as Fotina. And I'm actually glad that there is no Fotina here. It would have clashed. We have reference cities, and you could see that we have a distinction between cities or regions that do not use summertime and those that do. You can see the little S adjacent. So if you wish, you set your reference city up at the top. I have Paris in the summer, and then I have Paris. So very simple. You can also see that there are 24 reference cities or regions to represent the 24 primary time zones of the globe. We have a woodland green dial with a nice sort of granular finish. Same for the sub-registers, the date and the 24-hour scale. The watch does feature hacking seconds if you wish to engage it. So if you pull the crown out, you can stop everything. And now you can move all of this in sync. What you cannot do, and no matter how many times you try, you cannot set two separate time zones because the watch does not have them. So just keep that in mind. It is, however, 100 meters water resistant with a screw-down crown, something IWC has moved across its model lines as its pilot's watches go from their former 60 meters to now a true 100, so you can swim with them. The bezel insert is made of ceramic. Turn it all over. And although you can't easily see it through a shaded sapphire, inside we have an IWC movement. We have caliber 82760, bidirectional automatic winding with a ceramic Paul-based IWC Peloton winding system for great efficiency. We have a 4 Hertz beat rate with a free sprung balance for precise setting, and it is set and adjusted to 5 positions, which is an upscale adjustment you'll also find on chronometers. All this pivoting on 22 joules. You can see engine turning, stripes, beveling, mechanically applied but handsome. You can see a little gold medallion that sits inside the skeletonized rotor, and then a skeletonized bridge showing you the large mainspring barrel for the 60-hour power reserve. You've got hacking seconds, and then you've got this time zone function as envisioned by Streller. You just push down on the bezel and turn in either direction. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions.